Closing market comments for Tuesday, June the 29th. We do have the crop conditions out in today's report, and tomorrow's stocks and acreage reports will be out at noon. I will give you estimates on those in this report. We will update tomorrow's after the crop, stocks, and acreage report. Markets did open a little higher last night, but sold off going into the morning break. Traders were reacting to the conditions not being better and watching for the rain. Very quiet day on news with not a lot of other factors. Traders were positioning ahead of the report tomorrow. And Brazil did have temperatures in Parana and some other southern areas of the country at 28 degrees. Corn in Parana last week was 14% pollinated. So if it got that cold, there could be a major impact. It is not the largest producing state, but it does produce part of the safrinha corn crop. The dollar today was up 174, gold down 1880. And silver down 364. So yesterday we came out with a weekly crop conditions report. Crop rating was down 1% at 64% good to excellent, down 9% from last year. Indiana was down 3% at 70. Illinois up 4% at 68. Ohio down 5 at 71. Michigan up 5 at 65. Iowa up 4 at 60. Minnesota down 7 at 43. Nebraska down 1 at 82. South Dakota down 10 at 34, and North Dakota up 1 at 40. Corn silking was at 4%, same as last year, and 2% below the average. Indiana was 1%, Ohio was 0, Illinois 0, and Iowa 0, so not much going on there yet. Soybean conditions for the week were 60% good to excellent, unchanged from the previous week, but 11% below last year. Indiana was up 1 at 71%, Illinois up 1 at 67%. Ohio was down 4 at 68, Michigan up 2 at 57, Iowa up 1 at 58, Minnesota down 8 at 45, Nebraska unchanged at 83, South Dakota down 7 at 26, and North Dakota up 2 at 25. Soybeans were blooming at 14%, that's up 5% from the previous week, and just above last year at 13% and 3% above the average. Indiana was 8%, Illinois was 8%, Ohio 8%, Michigan at 0, Iowa at 9, Minnesota at 13, Nebraska 23, South Dakota 10, and North Dakota at 2%. Winter wheat conditions were 48% good to excellent, down 1% from the previous week, and below last year at 52. Indiana was unchanged at 76. Illinois was down 6 at 81, Ohio down 4 at 72, Michigan down 4 at 59, and Wisconsin down 6 at 75. Winter wheat is now 33% harvested, up from 17% last week and below last year at 39 and below the average of 40. Indiana was 25% done, Illinois at 63%, Ohio at 3, and Michigan at 0. Spring wheat ratings continue to drop this week at 20%, down from 27% the previous week and 69% last year. Minnesota was down 19% at 29, South Dakota up 5 at 10% good to excellent. North Dakota up 1 at 20, Montana down 22% at 21, Idaho down 6 at 21, Oregon down 8 at 16, and Washington down 3 at 7. Spring wheat heading was 48%, up from 27% the week before, 33% last year, and 39% average. Minnesota was 84%, South Dakota 79, North Dakota 42, Montana 28, Idaho 40, Oregon 89, and Washington 88. As I said, we will have a stocks report and acreage report tomorrow on June 30th at noon. Traders are expecting the acres to be higher than the USDA March intentions and wondering if bean stocks will be higher than expected. Average guess on corn acres is 93.8 million acres, up from the USDA March at 91.1. Average bean acres is at 89.0, up from 87.6 in March. The average guess on the corn stalks is 4.144 billion bushels of corn, down from 5.003 last year. Soybean stocks are estimated at 787. That's down from 1.381 billion last year. And wheat stocks are estimated to be 859, down from 1.028 billion last year. So again, the report will be out at noon tomorrow. It will be the driver once it comes out. We'll have to see how the market reacts and what the numbers are. So thanks for watching. We'll update you tomorrow after the report.